Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and in version 2.3 there's a new slider here in the operations menu for the face groups. So this video is a comparison video. Okay, so I try to explain or understand myself what the different sliders do, or so how they work. So first I explain here what I'm doing. So here I masked corner vertices or edge vertices on the mesh for this face group here. So I try to keep here sharp edges, and all the meshes are the same. So I start with this one here, and here in the operations menu there's a preserve volume checkbox, and here stable smoothing checkbox. I turn it off. So I start here with a smoothing slider. So let's see what happens when you smooth the face groups. So you see here the cross is gone, and the borders here are straight and sharp. So here are a few holes, I think, I'm not sure. Okay, so the next one. Now let's use the relax slider. So, okay, you see here sharp edges, and the cross stays here, nice. So the relaxing is not to smooth out the surface, only to relax the mesh, but keep the details. So okay, next one. So preserve volume. So first I check the smoothing slider. Okay, a little bit better. And now the relax slider. I think a little bit more detail, but yeah. So the last one, and activate stable smoothing. So here it's wobbly, or maybe more smoothing. So then it's not so good. And the relax option. Okay. Now here the face group is now sharp and clean, and the cross is still there. Okay. I compare the I hope it helps a little bit. And you see here, so with a masked parts, so here the face group is straight and sharp, and no masking on the other side. So this happens. So everything is curved, and yeah. Also for the last one here. So you see here there's no mask, and here with the masked parts it's straight and sharp. So I think yeah, you have to play a little bit with it. Um, so maybe it helps a little bit to understand what the different sliders do. Yeah, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.